Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light on a 2013 to 2018 Lexus ES350. I'm in a 2013 Lexus ES350 and we're going to turn on the car real quick and show you what the light is. So once this vehicle is turning on, it's going to do the system check, and here you can see I need maintenance required. So it says maintenance required. So every time you start the car, it's going to pop up with this message, and of course it's not fun to do that. So we're going to wait a little bit and it will go away, but every time you start the car, it's going to be there. So we're going to show you how to fix this maintenance required light so it completely goes away permanently. Now, one of the good things about this Lexus is if you go into the menu here, you're going to get all of these different options. So if you go ahead and go to setup, and then you go all the way to vehicle, you have the option for maintenance. So this tells you everything that needs to be changed. Everything that's in red needs urgent attention. Everything that's black has been changed up, and blue is just a reminder to look at it. So typically the maintenance light that we saw earlier, you would get it for the engine oil and filter, and that's what the recommended maintenance is. As you can see right here that I'm due for an oil change. Now this could mean two different things. Either you just got an oil change, if you did it with a third party, then they may have not reset the light. So even if you got the fresh oil change done, you're still going to get the maintenance required light here every time you start up the car, because the light has not been reset, which is exactly what we're going to show you how to reset it. Now, if you haven't done the oil change, then of course this is a good reminder. Then you have to change the oil on your Lexus ES350. But let's pretend that you have changed the oil and you just want to reset it. We're going to show you how to do that. So if you come here, you've got this odometer trip here. As you can see right now, I can see the odometer is 135,000 miles. But if I press this once, it goes to trip A. So you want to keep it on trip A, and then you want to turn off the car, and then we're going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light on your Lexus ES350. So we're going to turn off the car in a minute, but when we turn off the car, we're going to hold this button, and while we're holding it simultaneously, we're going to press the start stop engine button twice. Not once, but twice. Don't do a hard press, just do a little bit of a press. Just tap it. So you're going to tap it twice. You don't want to hold it because that's going to start the car. You're going to tap it twice. Again, you're going to hold this odometer trip button. While you're holding it, you want to come here and tap this button twice while your car is turned off, and that should reset the maintenance required light. It's going to be hard to demonstrate this with one hand while I'm recording, but I just want to make sure you guys understand. So I'm going to do it right now, and then we're going to start the car and make sure the maintenance required message is gone. Again, you want to make sure you're on trip A before you turn off the car, otherwise it's not going to work. If you see the odometer there, it's not going to work. So make sure you have a trip A over there. So I just did the procedure, and we're going to turn on the car and then see if it goes away. So I'm going to turn it off first so all the lights go away, and we're going to turn it back on. Let's go ahead and hit the brakes. So I just turn on the car. You can see it's doing the system check. And there we go. We don't get the message for the maintenance required anymore. So that's how you reset the light for the maintenance required on a 2013 Lexus ES350. Again, I wasn't able to capture on the camera, but you're going to hold the odometer button right here. And while you're doing it simultaneously, you want to press this twice. And then when you're doing it, you actually get a message here that says resetting maintenance data, and then it will basically completely wipe away. So that's how you reset the maintenance light on a 2013 Lexus ES350. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like that video, and of course subscribe for more videos.